Remember when everyone thought robots would take over? Well, here we are. AI, machine learning, and automation are transforming the IT landscape in ways we never imagined just a decade ago. These technologies are taking over repetitive tasks like system monitoring, troubleshooting, and even basic coding. But that doesn't mean humans are being replaced. In fact, IT professionals are still essential for designing, managing, and refining these advanced systems. As technology evolves, some traditional IT roles are declining, but new opportunities are emerging for those who adapt. Let's talk about 4 IT roles that are shifting, and the skills you need to stay ahead of the curve. First up is system administrators, better known as sysadmins. They've been the backbone of IT, handling the configuration, operation, and maintenance of computer systems. But as the industry moves away from physical hardware and towards the cloud, the demand for traditional sysadmin tasks is shrinking. Now, that means that sysadmins need to adapt. Setting up bare metal servers in a data center may no longer be part of the job, as many of those responsibilities are now managed through cloud services. If you're a sysadmin, now's the time to level up. Getting familiar with virtualization, cloud technologies, and DevOps practices is essential. If you're considering a shift to a DevOps engineer or architect role, you'll need to know how to back up data and applications in virtual environments and build development pipelines for deploying code to cloud resources. Now, next up is our database administrators, DBAs. Now, these guys have traditionally been responsible for installing, configuring, and maintaining on-prem databases, ensuring reliability, performance, and security. Now, from backups to disaster recovery to performance tuning and complex queries, DBAs have played a crucial role in managing organizational data. But with the rise of managed database services like Amazon RDS, Azure SQL, and Google Cloud Spanner, the demand for traditional on-prem DBAs is shrinking. These cloud-based solutions now handle scaling, backups, and updates. These are tasks that used to be a DBA's core responsibility. To stay relevant, DBAs should shift their focus to cloud-native databases, NoSQL solutions, and data engineering skills. Now, learning how to manage data pipelines and optimize databases for analytics and machine learning can open up new opportunities. Now, that said, while traditional roles like sysadmins and DBAs are evolving, hybrid cloud environments still rely on these professionals to some extent. Traditional network engineers, also known as computer network architects, design and manage the routers, switches, and infrastructure that keep organizations connected. From LANs to WANs, they've played a key role in building fast, reliable networks. But as more companies shift their systems to the cloud, the need for managing on-prem LANs and WANs is decreasing. If you're a network engineer, adapting to this shift is crucial. Gaining a deep understanding of network virtualization and learning to code for software-defined networks will help you stay competitive. Much like sysadmins, exploring a career path in DevOps can be a smart move. It's also worth developing expertise in security, especially in identifying and mitigating wireless LAN threats. Help desk technicians are the front line of IT support, troubleshooting hardware, software, and network issues to keep everything running smoothly. They assist with setting up new devices, resolving login problems, and guiding users through self-service solutions. But with the rise of automation and AI-driven tools, the demand for entry-level help desk roles is shrinking. Now, platforms like ServiceNow and Zendesk are automating ticket routing and even handling basic troubleshooting with chatbots and self-service IT support. So to stay ahead, help desk professionals should focus on IT service management, cybersecurity awareness training, or even transition into end-user experience management. That's where the goal is to proactively improve IT tools and support for users. Technology never stands still, and neither should you. While some roles are fading, new ones are rising to meet the demands of AI, automation, and cloud computing. Now, with the right skills, like AI integration, machine learning, and automation frameworks, you can future-proof your career and stay ahead in this changing landscape. Now, new jobs will continue to emerge, and with ongoing learning, it can be the IT pro who meets these evolving demands. The key? Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the future of tech. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments your thoughts on the future of IT, jobs, and what you've experienced in your career.